Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing chapter knowing our numbers. So today we will do its last topic, that is Roman numbers. Okay, students, Roman numbers you have been doing it since grade 3. So this is very easy for you. So I'm just recalling all the rules which you have done in your lower classes. So students, for writing Roman numbers we use these 7 letters of Roman. Okay, so I'll discuss one by one. So I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. You remember it. Okay. So first now I am taking I. So I can be repeated only maximum 3 times. After 3 times it cannot be repeated. It will be wrong if you write 4 times I for 4. No. This can I can be repeated only 3 times. Next is V symbol, which is for 5 value. Okay, so this symbol cannot be repeated at all. It can be used only once. Next is 10. X is for 10. So like I, X is also can be repeated 3 times only, not more than 3. Okay, so next L for 50. So L also cannot be repeated like V, so it can be used only once. Then C, come to C. So C also can be repeated 3 times maximum. Okay, so next is D. D cannot be repeated, it can be used only one time. Next is M for 1000. So M also can be repeated 3 times maximum. Okay, so it means out of these 7, if you see I, X, C and M, these 4 symbols can be used, can be repeated 3 times, but V, L and D can never be repeated. They can be used only one time. Okay, now some more rules I will discuss. Now if smaller symbol is written at the back of bigger symbol, then it means it is subtraction. It is subtraction. Now I is smaller than V, so it is written at the back. We will subtract their values. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Similarly 10 minus 1, that is 9. Similarly L minus X, that is 50 minus 10, that is 40. CD, so C is subtracted from D. C is value of 100 and D is 500. 500 minus 100, that is 400. Okay, but opposite of it means if smaller number is written before, if smaller number is written after a bigger symbol, then there is addition. Means V and I. VI means 5 plus 1, that is 6. Similarly 10 plus 11, 11. 50 plus 10, 60. This symbol is 500. 500 plus 100, that is 600. Okay, in your syllabus it is up to 1000 only. Now example I am taking. So first is 64. So better you break that number according to their places, then it will be easy to write Roman numbers. Okay, so 64, it is 60 plus 4. So first we will see how we can write 60. 60 is 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10. Then 4. 4 is 5 minus 1. This is the symbol for 4. So LXIV means this is for 64. Now you will be confused that ma'am this one is written after this. But if smaller number is written between two bigger numbers, then it is always subtracted from the number which is written after it. Which is written after it. Okay. So next is 179. So break this number, write it in expanded form. 100 plus 70 plus 9. So 100 is C. 70 is 50 plus 10 plus 10. Then 9. So in this way you can write this bigger number very easily if you know the rules. Please revise these rules you have already done in grade 4 and 5. Okay. So next is 436. So this is 400 plus 30 plus 6. So first we will write 400. 400 means 500 minus 100. So CD. CD is for 400. Then 30. 30 means 3 times x. Then 6. Then VI is 6. I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.